So if I want to access data on a list, if I want to read from a list, I'm going to use the index. Okay, so for example, in this code, the first line establishes an array or a list of fruit. You can see apple is index 0, orange is index 1, and banana is index 2. If I say this string value equals AR fruit and I put 1 in square brackets, then str value, or that string value, equals orange. Now, orange is not removed from the array. I'm making a copy of it. Most of the time when we're doing something like this, we're making a copy of something. We're not taking it out of one and putting it into another. Just important to remember. So orange still belongs, is still there in that array, but it's also here now. And then when I print that, it will print a value. So let's go ahead and open up your PyCharm and type out these couple of arrays here. I'll give you a couple minutes to do that. Make sure you're using square brackets. On my keyboard, those are just to the right of the P key on my keyboard, or right beneath the plus and minus keys. So if I type print, I could directly print the whole array, li fruit. If I just print that variable, it's going to print the whole array for me. So if I run this, you can see here, it prints the whole array, including the square brackets, including, it'll use single quotes around the strings, but it still prints everything. So I can see everything that's in that whole array. Now, if I want to print just one thing from the array, I'm going to add the index in square brackets. And so in this case, if I run this code, what's it going to print? Banana, right? Because banana is at index 2, 0, 1, 2. So what would I have to type in my code if I want it to print out the number 13 from the second array? What do I type? What else? Tell me everything that I would type if I want to print that. So print li numbers, and then in square brackets 5, and there we go. So it prints that. Now if I want to, I can even do math with what's in those, as long as those are things that I could add together. I could print out the result of this, which is in index 5, and this, which is in index 3. So I can directly access those numbers as well. So those two lists, I can access the data in them using the index. And that's the primary way that we want to access any data in a list.